If you've ever created a script in Unity, you've probably noticed that every single one has this line by default. Your class name followed by a colon and MonoBehaviour. You see it all the time, but what does it actually do? The colon means inheritance, so your script is inheriting or receiving everything that MonoBehaviour has built into it, and the moment you remove it, basically everything breaks. So let's go through exactly what just happened. First, lifecycle methods. Awake, start, update. These only exist because of MonoBehaviour. Without it, they are just unused methods your game will never call. Second, event methods, like onTriggerEnter and onCollisionEnter. These are how your script knows when something has collided with a game object it's attached to. Also gone without MonoBehaviour. And third, Unity's built-in API. Things like getComponent, instantiate, destroy, all of these come from MonoBehaviour, and without it, you lose access to basically everything Unity gives you. So that's what MonoBehaviour actually does. It's essentially the entire bridge between your code and Unity itself. However, not every class actually requires MonoBehaviour to work. For example, if you're writing a class that just holds data or does some calculations with no Unity interaction needed, you can skip it entirely. Something like this. This class doesn't need to exist in any scenes, doesn't need starter update, and doesn't need any Unity API. So MonoBehaviour would just be dead weight here. And that's it. That's MonoBehaviour, the entire reason your scripts work in Unity at all. Thank you for watching.